Hey guys, so welcome to my YouTube channel, and I'm gonna have several things that I'll be uploading here, which are three things. First of all, number one are my progress and work in progress videos, process videos, things like that for drawing, fan art, original work, and stuff like that. And number two, I will be redlining a lot of artwork by my patrons and reviewing some of their work and a lot of other critiques and discussions about said work. So that's the second thing. And third, I will also be talking about my onions, my opinions on certain animation, art, digital art, and painting trends, just stuff that I find interesting in art media and storytelling, film, and representation, and things like that. So I hope you enjoy your stay and give me your feedback and play nice. So see you around.